time, power, money, three forces pulling against each other. Every enterprise AI strategy eventually feels this tension. The data needs to move. The context needs to connect. The business needs results now. This is the three-body problem of data gravity. For years, enterprise architecture treated data gravity as a storage problem. Data accumulates, applications move closer. Organizations centralize information into lakes, warehouses, and repositories. For traditional analytics, centralizing enough data often made sense, but AI changes the equation. AI does not just need more data. It needs the right context, from the right systems, at the right time. And in large organizations, especially regulated ones, that context is rarely in one place. The first force is data that will not centralize. Enterprise data is spreading across clouds, business units, operational systems, edge environments, partner ecosystems, and jurisdictions. Some is restricted by privacy regulation, some is governed by security policy, some is controlled by teams, partners, or agencies with no reason to give it up. This is not a temporary integration problem. It is the operating reality of modern enterprise. Lakes, warehouses, and clean rooms help, but they still assume enough data can come together. Increasingly, the harder question is how to create intelligence across data that may never physically converge. The second force is context that will not stay in one place. Organizations are not investing in AI for bigger repositories here. They want better outcomes, faster decisions, and stronger operational performance. But high-stakes decisions rarely depend on one source of truth. They depend on operational signals, history, institutional knowledge, external intelligence, and the constraints of the moment. Banks know this, hospitals know this. Governments and global enterprises know this. The information needed for critical decisions has always been distributed. What changed is the expectation that AI can reason across it. So the challenge is not just distributed data, it is distributed decision context. Can the organization understand what shaped a recommendation, what evidence was considered, and whether the result can be explained, validated, and improved? The third force is the cost of moving everything. Even when centralization is possible, it is rarely simple. Large-scale data movement becomes a program, not a project. Governance evolves, migration expands, architecture grows. Meanwhile, AI moves faster. Models improve quickly. Competitive pressure builds quickly. Business leaders need outcomes now, and data movement is not free. It consumes infrastructure, network capacity, energy, and operational attention. The cost is time to value, power, and the opportunity cost of waiting. For years, the answer to data gravity was move the data. AI forces a better question. What if the data is not going to move? Move your AI, not your data.